Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and I've got another unbagging from Amazon. Okay, so I hope everybody's having a great day. I thank everybody for giving me thumbs up and comments, and thank you to all my new subscribers. I so appreciate you. And to all my regular subscribers, thank you so much. And to everybody who has shown me some love on my Etsy shop, big old thank you to that too. So, with all of that out of the way, let's get to the unbagging. Alright, so this is yet another crystal special drill from Amazon, y'all. I love them. And I don't have very many. Well, I do now, but I didn't. So that's why I kind of went on a little special canvas, special drill, partial type spree here. All right, so this is a poured glue. And it is the owl. Isn't it pretty? And it is a partial, and he has only got 11 colors. So it is very, very, very pretty. All right, he is a 40 by 30, and let's see, I gave $4.99 for him, for her, who knows, don't know. All right, so let's go ahead and, well, first, I guess I ought to show you this. Alright, so it just comes with a regular toolkit of a green boat, a square of wax, the plastic tweezers, and a pink pen. So just a regular toolkit. And it has the canvas number up at the top, and it also has the legend over on the top right hand side, and that's it. No thumbnail or anything. So pull out these crystals and give it a look-see. Alright, and we've got some in baggies, and the number of the canvas is also on the bag. And we have 7 crystals, and then the rest will be in baggies. So, alright, we have got a clear, we have a red, a light blue, and we have a darker blue. We have a light purple. We have an aqua blue. And then we have a gold. They're all round. They look pretty good. Alright, so in the baggies, we have some teardrop looking orange with an iridescent coating. I hope y'all can see that. My lighting is not real great. Alright, we've got the teeny tiny little diamond shaped gold. Y'all can see that. Hopefully y'all can see it. All right. And then we have, ooh, these are pretty. We have some more teardrops that are like a clear iridescent. Can y'all see that? All right. And then we have some round gold. Hopefully y'all can see those. I don't know if that's any better. Because, yeah, my lighting is not the best. Okay, so that's your special drills and the crystals. They look pretty good. Now, I'm going to bring you down. We'll look at the drill field. Very, very, very colorful. This one's going to be very pretty when it's done. And it looks like we have just got, what is it, yeah, it's just going to be 1 through 11 on there. But yeah, it looks pretty good, y'all. Good and sticky. Now all of the owl, the wings, head, and everything. And then it looks like, what is this, a Ferris wheel? Maybe. Looks like a Ferris wheel in the back. But this right here, all this background right here, that is not drilled. So just this right here is what gets drilled. So what do y'all think about this one? It's pretty. At least I think he is. My daughter, she's really into owls. She loves owls. So what do y'all think about this one? This one is like I said, a 40 by 30, and it was $4.99. And I will have a link, and all the descriptions and everything will be in my description box. And leave me a comment, y'all. Let me know what y'all think about it. Have y'all seen this one on Amazon before? I've seen it a few times, but just kind of passed over it. And then when I started getting into this, wanting all these special drills and the partial drills, I scooped them up. But I think these are fun to do in between the big canvases. So like if you're a Diamond Art Club fan and you do the huge canvases, or TSA or whoever, these are so much fun in between your big canvases. It kind of like gives yourself a break, and it's just different, and it just kind of breaks up the monotony of big canvases. So I like them. I enjoy them. So all right, y'all, until my next video, I hope everybody has a great week, and I will see y'all later. Bye, y'all.